Train a basic model. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to train a model from the command line interface. This tutorial assumes that you've already installed the Gradient CLI, obtained an API key, created a project, and launched a Jupyter Notebook. If not, then feel free to check out those tutorials before starting. Models are trained using gradient experiments. We'll submit our dataset and Python code to the experiment in order to train the model. For this tutorial, we'll use a simple dataset, which includes a person's years of job experience and their salary. We also have a file named train.py, which contains the code for generating the model by applying linear regression to the dataset. We'll access these files from a GitHub repository. Let's start by going to our project on the Gradient console and copying our project ID. Then, from the CLI, type Gradient Experiments Run Single Node, the name of the task you're running, which in our case is train, the project ID that we copied before, the container that we want to use, the machine we want to run this on, the command to run the file, and finally, our workspace, which in this case is our GitHub repository with the salary data and the train file. Now we'll run the command, and we can see that our experiment has been created and is running. Our code outputs some useful metrics and completes successfully. We can also check out past experiments from the Gradient console. And that's all there is to training a model from the Gradient CLI.